Hi friends, in today's video we are going to study history class 1. History is one of the most popular subject for the UPSC aspirants due to its utility in the prelims and mains. And today's topics are Battle of Terrain, and 5 dynasties. First one is Mamluk dynasty 1211 to 1290. Second Khilji dynasty 1290 to 1320. Third Tughlaq dynasty 1320 to 1391. Fourth Sayyid dynasty 1414 to 1451. Fifth Lodi dynasty 1451 to 1526. These all dynasties we are going to study and their ruling year. In 1191 AD, Battle of Terrain fought between Muhammad Ghori and Prithviraj Chauhan, and Muhammad Ghori lost the battle. Prithviraj Chauhan won the battle because of Rajput support. All Rajputs were supported him. During 1191, so Muhammad Ghori again defeated in 1192 and won the battle. Prithviraj Chauhan lost the battle because of non-support of Rajputs and Rajput kings. Enmity between Rajputs were started. So Prithviraj Chauhan lost the battle. After Muhammad Ghori, Kutubuddin Aibak ruled. Kutubuddin Aibak ruled, and his slaver was Iltutmish. Iltutmish thought to make her daughter and give his all throne to her daughter, and its son got angry on Iltutmish and then Iltutmish's slaver was called Ghiyasuddin Balban, who was advisor of advisor of Iltamu's son. Under his mis guidance, Iltamu's son killed Razia Sultan, and after him Ghiyasuddin Balban killed everyone and became the king, and he ruled 1226 to 1287. Then comes Khilji dynasty. (1290 to 1320). Khilji dynasty. Jalaluddin Khilji was founder of the Khilji dynasty. 1290 AD. And he was so polite to people, so people were not listening him. People were thinking about him, just whatever we do he forgives us, and people were not having fear of Jalaluddin Khilji, but his cousin was opposite to him, Alaluddin Khilji. He was very talented, brave and active person, and he was also so violent. In 1296 he killed Jalaluddin Khilji because because Jalaluddin Khilji was so polite to people, and he was always advising Alaluddin Khilji, so he was not liked him, and Khilji killed the Jalaluddin Khilji during 1296. In 1303 he fought Battle of Chittor to get Rani Padmavat, and he also torturing his people under his kingdom, and slowly the kingdom was ended. Then comes Tughlaq dynasty. (1320 AD). Tughlaq dynasty ruled 1320 to 1398. Then Timmurs. He came to India and took all the money and gold, and he made governor general. He made a governor and went back, and governor was Khazir Khan. Later he founded the Sayyid dynasty. And he ruled 1440 to 1451. And dynasty was end. Then comes Lodi dynasty. Bahaluluddin Lodi dynasty ruled from 1451 to 1526. Bahalul Lodi. After him, Sikandar Lodi. Then Ibrahim Lodi comes. People were not liking Ibrahim Lodi, him and his uncle. Even his uncle not liking the Ibrahim Lodi. His uncle name was Daulat Lodi, and he called Babur to battle against Ibrahim Lodi. And Lodi dynasty was ended. In 1526, Babur versus Ibrahim Lodi fought Battle of Panipat first. Battle of Panipat won, and Ibrahim Lodi was lost the battle. And Lodi dynasty ends. That's all for today's video. Keep studying, keep work harding, and next video we will start from the Babur. These are basic. First you study what I am teaching, then I will teach you to convert this and all study. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.